TOMOLOO L1, the best electric scooter for 2020. This scooter was a ton of fun. The TOMOLOO L1 electric scooter is the best for older kids. It has a sleek style that looks like a more grown-up adult electric scooter, with a maximum speed of 15.5 miles per hour and a range of 18.6 miles per charge. The 8.5-inch air-filled tires make for a smooth ride even when the road gets a bit bumpy. The lithium-ion battery has a charging time of 3.5 hours, which could be better. It weighs just 28.5 pounds, which makes it great not only for kids but also for commuting. It folds easily for storage at home, car trunks, or under subway seats. The frame is nice and durable, made of aerospace-grade aluminum, supporting riders up to 220 pounds. Other features include a 250W motor, which helps it go over inclines as steep as 20 degrees, disc braking and EABS regenerative anti-lock braking system, LCD display, leather-like handles, and an ultra-bright headlight. We love it because it has style to spare, great portability and great performance. It has all of the right features along with decent speed and range. What's not to love? TOMOLOO has done it again. It feels like a research and development product, it's so good. But no, it's available to all. I wouldn't have them change anything. Rides like this are the reason that kids prefer them over the best robot toys for kids these days. Thanks for watching, please subscribe for more upcoming videos.